Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share some natural health tips for calming essential oils, including a kids safe essential oil list. Hi, I'm Stephanie Cauldron, an essential oil educator and passionate user. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you stick around to the end, you will also be able to access my kids safe essential oil list. As parents, we all know how important it is to keep our kids healthy and happy, and essential oils can be a natural and effective way to do just that. First and foremost, it's important to remember that not all essential oils are safe for kids. So before we dive into our list of calming essential oils, let's talk about some general guidelines to keep in mind when using essential oils with kids. First, make sure you're using high-quality essential oils that are safe for kids. Look for essential oils that you know the sourcing and the testing of them. It's why I use and love doTERRA, because you can check all of this information out on every single bottle at source2u.com. Also look for essential oils recommended for children. Some popular kids-safe essential oils include lavender, chamomile, and frankincense. Second, always dilute essential oils before using them on kids. A good rule of thumb is to use a 1% dilution. 1 drop of essential oil per 1 teaspoon of carrier oil. Carrier oils can include coconut oil, jojoba oil, or almond oil. Now that we've covered some general guidelines, let's dive into our list of calming essential oils for kids. Lavender oil. This oil is known for its calming and soothing properties. It can help promote relaxation and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Chamomile oil. It is another great option for calming kids. It can help soothe feelings of irritability and promote a sense of calm. Frankincense oil. It has a grounding and calming effect on the mind and the body. It can help promote feelings of peace and relaxation. Ylang-ylang oil. This sweet-smelling oil can help reduce feelings of stress and promote relaxation. It's a great option for helping kids wind down before bedtime. Bergamot oil. It has a citrusy scent and can help promote feelings of happiness and well-being. It can be a great option for kids who are feeling down or anxious. If you are somebody like me that is always go, 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 and you want a super convenient option, there are pre-mixed essential oil roller bottles at the proper dilution ratio for kids already made up by doTERRA. This is called the Kids Collection. It has 7 roller bottles that are specifically formulated for kids. The roller bottles include Thinker. It helps kids focus on homework or any other task requiring their attention. Calmer. This is a calming essential oil blend that also will help kids sleep. Stronger. Helps boost kids' immune system. Tamer. This blend helps soothe upset stomachs that your kiddos may occasionally deal with. Rescuer. After a busy day, running, jumping, or playing, or for a quick how to relieve growing pains in your legs at night, this blend can be rolled on. Steady. This has a calming blend of essential oils for kids when they're feeling nervous or anxious. And finally, Brave. Have you ever wondered how to help a shy child, or if they're feeling anxious before a new or different situation? This blend is perfect for inspiring motivation for your child. It also comes with a convenient pouch to hold them all in and flashcards that are color coordinated to begin empowering your older kids to learn what they need and when. Now, while essential oils can be a natural and effective way to promote calm and relaxation in kids, it is important to remember that there can be side effects of essential oils. For example, some essential oils can cause skin irritation or allergic reactions. Always do a test patch before using a new essential oil and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. As with any natural health tips, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before using essential oils on your kids, especially if they have underlying health conditions. So there you have it. It's our list of calming essential oils for kids. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, when it comes to using essential oils with kids, safety is key. Stick to kid-safe essential oils, dilute properly, and always be mindful of any potential side effects. If you want access to one of my favorite collections for calming essential oils for kids, click the link in the description. It's freebie time! I want to give you access to my private essential oils for beginners class by clicking the link in the description below. You can also follow the additional link to get my kids safe essential oil list. If you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.